Jesslynn, get out of the way first. Yes, you are itchy. You are itchy, Bailey. You are itchy. You really itch there. Dude, you're itching the crud out of her.
No, it been like that.
Jessica, has it always been red on her stomach?
Mm-hmm.
How come?
She's got allergies.
Oh, poor baby. Poor baby. Woohoo.
It's a party.
Here, do the lay down. Bailey. Bailey, come here. Come here, girl. Okay, stop, stop. No, no, no. Okay. Lay down. Lay down. Bailey, Bailey. Bailey. Oh my gosh. Okay, Bailey. Take a walk. Take a walk. Take a walk. Take a walk.
It's mine. Put your paw on. Come on. Put your paw on.
Mm.
On. Kayla, I see your face.
You don't see my face?
I see it.
You're sweating. Bailey!
Stop, honey.
You just like dropped this cup down, Bailey. She dropped this. Bailey! Don't make her drop down and don't make her drop that. That has stuff in it. Just let her have it. Don't let her do that
You're
one.
videotaping.
Yeah, I know. Let go of it.
No, never. Ah, you're gonna knock it to the table.
Don't make her knock to the table, I'm telling you.
Back up, no. Back up this way. Turn it back up.
Ah, don't make me get into this. It sounds like she's snorting like a pig. Well, have you been eating some pig? Let go of it.
No.
Tell her to let go of it.
Jesslyn.
I'm not letting go.
She's gonna beat you.
Come on. Paw. Come on, baby. Paw. Put your paw on.
Jesslyn, when she scratches you or bites you, I don't want to hear you crying.
Die.
Good, Bailey has what she wants. Now look at that. She just like lays down. What you doing?